Hello, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of a Mercedes Vito 2021. You have to change them on two different menus. First of all, the instrument cluster has a different menu on which you can change the language, and the navigation or the multimedia system has the change. As you can see, I had a customer who had bought a Mercedes Vito 2021, and instrument or the navigation area is in Dutch, and this area it was in, I think, Portuguese, and he wanted to have them changed to English. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself, so you can help each other. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, we're going to start with the instrument cluster. We have to go through the menu by pressing to the right with the arrow buttons and go to the settings. I'm not sure, my Portuguese isn't that good, but I think it's this one. Once you are here, you have to go to the panel instrument. I think they mean panel instrument, like this. You can confirm by going OK. Once you are here, use the arrow button down, and as you can see, it's in Portuguese. Once you are here, confirm with OK, and now you can change with the arrow buttons down to a desired language, and he wanted me to change it to English, so that's what I'm gonna do. So once you're in English, confirm with OK, go back, and as you can see, it's now in English. That's this area. Another language you have to change is on the multimedia area or the navigation system. Go to the home button, press system, go to this one, display and taal. It's in Dutch. Once you are here, you can scroll the menu down, and as you can see, system taal is the system language, I suppose. Press on it and then find English, British English or American English. Once you've clicked on that, go back, and if it is correct, the language has been set to English now. That was it for today. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.